Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make Penang style char kuaytiaw, but I'm going to make kuaytiaw mee today. Alright, so first of all, this is the thinner type of kuaytiaw, what the Penang stores will normally use. It absorbs better flavor, right? And some yellow noodles here. And the yellow noodles I'm using today actually don't have much gan sui mei one. I got it from the Puchong Jaya morning wet market. Every Friday morning, there's a store selling there, okay? Then I have some chives, some tauge, some garlic, egg, crispy pork lard, and some prawn and lap chong. And we need some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, chili giling, blended chili, yeah, and some white pepper. Some people told me it's good to add some sweetened dark soy sauce also. I run out of my sweetened dark soy sauce today. So, okay, so you can add lah. So first of all, let's give it some pork lard. You can use normal vegetable oil, no problem, right? Okay, let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the minced garlic, lap chong, and also the prawn. Let's saute it a bit before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Right, next thing, I'm going to put in the noodles, put in the veggie, put in a bit of the crispy pork lard, and I'm going to tune down the fire a bit first. Yeah, tune down the fire as I'm going to add in the sauce. Let's give it some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce. Alright. Some blended chili, few dashes of white pepper. This is the time where you can add in the sweetened dark soy sauce, okay? So now I'm going to raise the heat. So let's mix everything up together. And I'll push the noodles to the side. Oops, put in one egg. Let's give the egg a bit of light soy sauce. Let the egg to spread a bit. Today Appa keep biting my tongue. Let me bring the noodles over on top of the egg. You can add a bit of salt if you like, up to you. Alright, and then mix everything up. Keep it on at least medium-high heat, yeah, or high heat. Whoa, look at how beautiful it is. Oh, I can smell the wok hei also. The wok hei is actually the high heat with the caramelized sugar coming from the dark soy sauce. Done. So this is Appa's Penang fried kuaytiaw mee. Put some, garnish it with some crispy pork lard on top. Done. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.